Okay, so for the last couple hours we've been doing the floor in the kitchen. What? We've been doing the floor in the kitchen. So we're just gonna go grab something to eat real quick. Probably going to McDonald's because it's the only place in town. Okay, you have to do something interesting.
Like what?
I don't know, something interesting.
What am I gonna do that's interesting? Geez, why are they so singing slow?
Come on, interesting.
Actually, I have nothing to
Okay.
do that's interesting.
Very well. No, I can't remember. Jessica knows the
I threw a cup back there.
And I can never remember. It's one of them that's in there a lot, but she was just punching in. Nope. And he came up and showed her the hair and all. And so she took it and she'd make a new sandwich. And then she came back about
Oh, that's creepy.
You're the one who did working on clothes.
Jimmy, you totally leaned into that.
very good way to handle it.
Stop!
Okay, so we've gotten most of the floor done, and I am covered in it's glue. We're wetting the glue because it comes off really easy then. Then it's just like, it turns into almost this slimy, gross mud that we then get all over ourselves, but it comes off the floor really easy, so. Yeah, oh, I didn't think about this. Hang on. Anyways, so yeah, there's just a little section of the floor left to do. And I feel really gross. I know I have stuff all over me. Open. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's I'm surprised I didn't get anything on my face, did I? Wow. Proud of myself. So I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I think we're gonna go hang out with Caleb. Oh my gosh, that scared me so bad. Okay, so you know I was waiting for my transcripts to come so that I could get my bill for college lowered. They came today, but the envelope said it was from the IRS. And it freaked me out. I was like, why is the IRS sending me a letter? Did I do something wrong? It was just the transcripts, but it freaked me out. All clean. I even did my hair. Wanna see? All right, let's see how well it turned out, because I haven't actually seen it yet. Does it look good? I don't know. Yeah, it feels so good to be clean. I hate having ducks all over me. Hi, are you ready to make sandcastles? Where's Caleb?
I don't know.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Mine will be double the
Caleb,
epicness of
let's go find him.
At least. Mine will be at the very least double the epicness of James.
Oh, I see him. He did. He wore his tie-dye shirt. Jamie, you didn't.
Whoa.
Disappointment.
Oh, mine was all sweaty and gross.
Oh, ew, sweaty. Is it quiet now?
Nope. Still going.
Why? What is wrong with it?
Nothing.
A lot.
What do you see that's still spinning, Caleb?
Right back here was stuff. Yeah, but it is not anymore.
It smells weird.
Yeah, exactly.
Dead bug.
It's leaking some sort of gas, I believe.
I don't know. If it gets us home, I would talk to Dad about it.
If.
Well, if we
Jamie's very
fall, then there.
confident.
Well, what am I supposed to say? When we get home?
Except, what's that noise it's making?
Hey, look, I found the lever.
Danny, that's how we gotta
That's
open.
how
I know,
we
but
got it
still.
open.
Come.
There's nothing. Just
No, I said it looks like there's no.
Weird people. All right. This. I said let's come make sandcastles. This was a good idea. Look at the sand. No one is using it. Jimmy, there's enough sand. Look at, no one's even using it. Granted, it's very rocky sand. You know what? Caleb, there's only one way to find out.
This is bad sand.
This is gravel.
Yeah, this is not sand.
This is,
It's more sandy as you dig down, though.
this is gravel.
You know what? Let's try. Come on. Come on. Ouch. Ouch. Come on.
It's not even real sand.
Oh, but the water feels so good. Seriously, Jamie, the water, it's warm.
It's freezing.
No, it's not. It's warm.
It's cold.
It's cool, not cold.
You don't drop.
I'm not gonna drop it. Wow.
How far out are we going? Just get your freaking water.
Look, I'm not gonna pretend to know how to do sandcastles, right?
Neither do I.
Whatever. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Back to Caleb and Dan. Have you given up already? Oh, okay. You don't think it'll work?
I don't either.
It'll work.
Julie's the only one who hasn't given up.
Danny,
Julie, steal some of her wet hair.
that's a good idea. This is it.
And then you gotta drain your bucket of some of the water. The excess water.
We should have come somewhere that actually had sand.
Instead of gravel.
What?
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. We're nowhere near.
Ta-da!
Too late.
Congratulations.
Ta-da.
It's beautiful. Don't even pretend like it's not. Ow,
It's
ow.
not right.
Hey, hey, hey. Julie,
Huh?
put this on top.
No, no. No, that's my seashell.
Wait.
I found it.
Julie, that is pitiful.
It's beautiful. I have to wash off my hands.
That was terrible.
Terrible.
So pretty.
Caleb, may I have your shovel? Where is it?
Oops. Come on, Jamie.
Stupid idea,
Come on.
but
Well, you don't have to. Jamie, in my defense, I thought this was more like sand than it is. If it was real sand, it would have been better.
well, I wish we had gone to the beach in North Carolina, even though I'm definitely afraid of sharks. Even doing this, I'm kind of scared of.
It is. It's really, really nice here. See, I'm not. I can see the bottom. I'm fine. Plus, I was gonna say I don't have any electronics with me, so I'm not afraid of falling. But thank you.
Thank you. Caleb, it's not that bad.
It feels nice though, doesn't it?
Yeah, okay, it is kind of nasty.
It feels good.
I'm not going in any
Well, why?
I'm starting to lose the bottom.
I can still see the bottom out here.
Well,
so.
I'm not going in any further.
See, it's hard to tell if it's the bottom, but then I can see my feet clearly. They're actually.
That's about 2 feet of water right there.
Jamie, this is a lake. There are no sharks. Plus, I can see the bottom.
Sharks.
Jamie, I can see the bottom. Jamie, it's
I have
Canisius
bad
Lake.
balance. Ow. I fell in the face with the shovel. I was trying to balance on you and I'm too scared.
That's funny. That's funny. No. Go out and play with those children.
Crabs too.
Jamie, there are no crabs in here. Maybe crayfish, but. Not to be a baby. You are wet.
Duh. Caleb just got me all wet. And I dumped the bucket on myself on accident.
Shark! Freaked you out.
Julie, don't do that
You
to a
out.
person who's deathly afraid of sharks.
It's a shark. It's a shark. I beat you. It's a shark. No, no, no. I hate you. I hate you. No, no, no. Oh, you got my butt wet.
Good. Good. I'm sorry.
Manny. Now it just looks like I like peed my pants. It really does. Now I have to go out further.
No, you don't.
Do you want to go out with me? Please, please, please. Oh, Jamie, why did you do this? It looks like I've seen my pants.
Julie, it was an accident. I
What?
just meant to get. Oh, I'm too scared.
Jamie, come on. Come on.
Hold my hand. I really. Oh, I lost the
Okay.
bottom.
Oh my gosh, it is scary. Why am I scared?
I lost the bottom. I lost the bottom.
Just sit down. You sit with me. Okay? Sit with me. Sit with me.
You have to do it.
You know I am gonna. I have to do it. You have to do it first. Because you know I will. Because I kind of have to.
Oh, gross. I fell.
I'm not sitting down now. Oh, stop it! I have a camera!
Sit down. Sit down.
I really don't want to.
Sit down.
I really don't want
What's
to.
in your pocket that's making it turn yellow?
Oh no, it's a bleached
Oh,
spot.
Julie, I sat down. You have to.
I don't wanna.
I just got you even more wet, and I will continue to until you sit down.
Okay, but I'm going a little bit shallower than this. Okay,
Ew.
I'm going a little bit shallower.
Ew. Julie, just sit down.
No. Okay. Happy?
You're happy.
No, no, no. This is nice. You should join us.
This is really not nice. I'm sorry.
No, no, because see, we can totally see what's going
No,
on.
but I'm really scared.
That's
like,
up,
I'm like shaking right now.
It's up. It's you're scared. Why? You should be excited,
Look, rocks are touching me.
Jimmy. I know it'll make you feel better. Ready? Come on,
I don't.
do it with me.
I can't do the theme song.
Chickadee. Come on, come on, come on.
You start.
See, didn't that make you feel better? Look at that smile. Look at the smile. You should sit down.
I'll get
But
your
it's
bottle
nice.
wet
Jamie,
for
aren't we
you.
having
Sit
fun?
down.
Aren't we having fun?
Force me to sit down.
Yeah.
Are we having fun, Jamie?
I'm terrified to be over here.
I have my phone on me. I don't have anywhere to
Julie
I-
has it.
I don't know why I just changed that rock.
Look at this one. It's kind of cool looking.
That is kind of cool looking.
Ew.
eat it.
She touched it to her mouth.
That's because you-
Ew, you have spit.
It's because you hit me.
No, you touched it to your mouth before I touched you.
I burned my tongue last night.
On what? What kind of food?
It was like those fried foods, it's like jalapeno, like cream cheese. And then you bake
Caleb,
it
you
in the
could
oven.
put your phone in the your car.
Killjoy. You're not getting in?
Or put your Fine.
I'm proud of you, you know.
I know, thank you. I went really far and well, not that
She did. She went really far
my
and
knees.
embraced her fear.
Then I sat
The
down
sharks.
and it hurt my butt.
Good job.
I don't really want to hold on.
Hey, good job.
Don't touch me. Just start the car.
I was waiting for the boys to get to their car.